My name is Trevor Johnston. I'm the Technical Coordinator for Industrial Design here at Western Sydney University. The area that you see around us is it's specifically industrial design, but we also use it as a makerspace for the university and for the public here in the western suburbs.
I'm Heath, I'm from Tasman Machinery, the Australian representatives of the Formec vacuum forming equipment. We're here at Western Sydney University and we've got Josh here who's going to tell us a bit about how vacuum forming is used and some of the other processes here at UWS.
Yeah, so I'm Josh, I'm an ex-student here for 4 years in industrial design. I did my honours completed last year. I'm now a casual technical assistant at Western Sydney University. So my job here is to help students and clients get things either vacuum formed or laser cut or 3D printed.
We start at the beginning of the concept, ranging from the drawings. We have a Mac lab where students can go in to do the 3D hard work to create the design, to create the image that they want to. Then take that design into a 3D printing area. There they can actually manipulate it, they can work different areas of it, prototype what they need to do, and then moves into areas where they start looking at production, looking at getting things laser cut, vacuum formed, CNC machined, also using the woodworking section as well in their concepts to be able to produce a concept for their final assessment at the end of the year.
A lot of projects come through that need vacuum forming, such as a scooter for coursework. And basically what we do is we put it on for them and we get that done in time frame. So these models here are for a solar car that Western Sydney University did. So a couple of students got together and decided to do this. So it's funded partway by sponsorship, and it goes into a race which starts in Darwin. And basically these are initial concept models for the part that needed to be vacuum formed, because the final one was basically a giant version of this. So you're looking at the top layer with the solar panels, and we're looking at the bottom part of it. This was made for the solar car, for the program.
We're standing here in front of the Formec machine. The company has been very good to us, the same as what Tasman has. They've supplied free training. We always fire stuff back to them to be able to test out different things with the machine, be able to talk to them. They're not afraid of talking to us after the product is sold, and be able to deal with some of the issues that we have along the way. We've had the Formec machine now for 12 months. We've found it very good machine, especially with the safety features involved with it. The machine is very intuitable. You can have a student do an induction course within 30 minutes, and it's very safe with the interlocking systems involved with it. We're very, very happy with the partnership that we've come with Formec and Tasman Machinery, and we hope to do a lot more in the future.